Hello, lovely people. I'm back. Yeah, new hair, kind of new hair. I might put another video up for this one, but yeah, it's blue, light blue, greenish streaks in there. I let the kids at one of the daycares I work for pick what color they wanted my hair this month, and they wanted blue, so blue it is. Alright, I am back today with an unboxing. My Fab Fit Fun came. This is like my birthday present to me, even though my birthday is next month. They sent the box out in March for spring, but so yeah. It's not in the regular Fab Fit Fun box. It's in a regular shipping box because I did get a couple of extras this go around because they had a couple of things that I will use and that I like. So let's go. I haven't opened or unsealed any of it, so let's see if I can do this without cutting myself, because yeah, that's no good. Alright, lots of lovely little tissues, more lovely tissues. So this is what the inside of this box looks like. Okay, so one of my extras was the Fab Fit Fun cup. I love these types of cups. I used to have one for every season, every holiday, especially when I worked at Starbucks, because, you know, get it for a discount, and I would use them everywhere I went. Oh, they even give you more than one straw. Perfect. Yeah, but as I've moved a few times and things like that, cups have gotten broken or lost, so I got this cute little one. It says Fab Fit Fun on it, and it's got like cactuses with like bright colors. So this will also be good for summertime too, which is good because, like I said, I really love to use these. I keep my water in a separate type of water bottle, like a metal water bottle. So this will be like for my juice, or if I drink a soda during the day or something like that, that's what I'll use this type of a cup for. So that was my first extra. Here's my other extra. I got there for my feet, because working 2 daycares right now, I'm on my feet a lot, chasing after kids, and it can hurt. So these are what they look like. So you can tell on like these, it's supposed to be like a mini massage for your feet as you're walking throughout the day. And there's different types, and like, see, this one's like harder than this one. These ones are more softer, the big ones. So I got 2 pairs of these so that I could switch them, like one pair for my tennis shoes and the other pair for like my boots. And I just got that. Let's move these over here and I'll pick it up after the video. So now is the other fun part. It's the Fab Fit Fun box. Oh, wrong side. There we go. The Fab Fit Fun box. So, let me toss this other box out of the way and get my handy dandy, oh, there it is, it's hiding, a handy dandy box cutter, or razor blade, whatever you want to call it, and open the Fab Fit Fun box. So, this is what it looks like. No, stay open. And I just dropped everything. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The things that were on top was like the magazine that tells you how much things are worth or what you could have chosen for other things. Pull this little sticker off and see that. This is what it looks like. So let's get into what there is. And in case I don't think I told you, Fab Fit Fun is a seasonal subscription box. So it's every season, January, that's a month, haha. Winter, spring, fall, and um, summer, you get a different box that's supposed to have different things, beauty, fitness, and like home living things for like around your house and things like that. And depending on what type of a subscription that you have, you can sorry, my cat's down there, and I'm trying to get the magazine close enough to grab it for you guys. Haha, got it. So the box is seasonal, so you get 4 times a year. Each time it's $50, but you get like anywhere from like 200 to $350 worth of merchandise in it. So it's a great steal. Alright, got it to the right page so I can tell you. And it also gives me no, I guess this one does not. On the website, it gives me the total amount of what my box is worth. Okay, so let's start out and see what we got. Okay. So, this is nice. This is the first thing that I got is a Sip and Swell, which is great because now I can trade off my my water bottles, because right now I only have one that I use, and so it's, when do you wash it? I use it every single day, weekend, all day. So this will make it easier for the cleaning process because I can throw one in to the washing machine or hand wash, whatever it says to do, while I use this one or the other one, vice versa. So this is my Sip and Swell that I got. Let's see. So you can get your Sip and Swell, which is what I got. And I got yellow, and I don't know if you can tell. There you go. There are little bees all over it, which I think is awesome, especially for spring and summertime. Bees aren't like my favorite thing, and yellow isn't always like the jam in color for me, but I like that it's the brighter yellow, and the bees are really cute on it. So I think that's gonna be great. My kids are definitely gonna love it. I'm gonna have to, constantly don't touch my bee cup and all that kind of stuff. So this will be awesome for me. I will use it all the time with my other Fab Fit Fun cup. So you have the choice of getting the Sip and Swell, or you could have gotten the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, or the Two Bandits Athens Necklace. So I'm really, really happy with what I got. The translucent setting powder would have been cool to try too, but I'm really happy that I didn't get the jewelry because I don't wear a lot of jewelry, especially necklaces or hanging earrings. Like I always have like studs in, because when you work with small kids, they constantly are grabbing and yanking on stuff, and that's how stuff breaks. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, let's see what else I got. Ooh, what is it? Can you tell me? Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. Nice. I've I told you guys earlier that I just recently got back into the beauty and taking care of my skin, kind of self care routine. I spend so much time taking care of everybody else that I know, helping my friends with their kids, helping my kid. I very rarely take care of myself. So, like I said, I've been kind of getting back into makeup. I've been starting I have like face masks that friends have gotten me because they're like, for Christmas, your new year, you need to start taking care of yourself. You need to start doing some self maintenance on your body and all of that because of getting diagnosed with fibromyalgia last year. So everybody's pushing me to do some self-care instead of just caring for everybody else and taking care of everybody else. So I have decided to finally listen and have started doing that. So this is going to be great for that. This isn't a brand that I am familiar with, but like I said, I haven't been in the beauty industry for years. Unless you're talking about like stage makeup, then, I can tell you all about that. But as for everyday makeup and everyday um, skincare, I'm not into that anymore. So I'm learning all over again. So this is a 6.7 fluid ounces, and it's purifying face cleanser, probiotic skincare by Tula. Let's see. Oh, it's sealed. Let's see what it smells like. Because, if it doesn't smell very good, odds of me using it on my face are slim to none, because, my nose is right there. Okay, so it it doesn't smell like anything specific, but it doesn't smell like really bad either, soap. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, it's like a gel. It comes out like a gel. Okay. Yeah, so, and like even without water, it's, probably can't tell, again, my very, very bad lighting. It's already starting to like turn white and stuff like, soap does when you're rubbing it in. So that's cool. I am excited to try that. I know I have another one on the way from something else I ordered in my Ipsy as an extra. So it'll be cool to try the two different brands and see which one I like better, to see what I might possibly be interested in buying for myself once those are gone. So that is $28, the Tula Purifying Face Mask. You could have gotten a Daily Concepts Daily Detox Brush or the 11 by Venus Jump Rope. Oh, thank God I didn't get the jump rope, because me and my fibromyalgia flare-up body would not be loving that. So that probably would have been like given to my kid or something like that, as far as a jump rope would go, because, yeah. Oh! Okay, so I had never heard of the Quay Australia sunglass company before this Fab Fit Fun box. I like this. So this is what comes in. This is the case. So I like that. I mean, it's not hard, so it doesn't do too much protecting from getting smashed or anything. But, yeah. This is one I got to choose. So you have the choice of these sunglasses, which are the My Girl Black Smoke. They're kind of like cat eye glasses as far as the shape. Now I know it's weird because I have glasses, but my glasses they have the film for looking at a computer screen all the time, because I read and I look at a computer screen reading constantly, or editing videos, or doing, all kinds of stuff on my computer. And they also are for looking at my TV screen when I'm watching TV, to help me not get headaches. And I also need to wear them when I drive. But because I also use them for looking at the computer screen and the TV, you can't have the special film for that and have the glasses that change when you go out into sunlight. So what I tend to do is I wear sunglasses over my glasses while I'm driving, so that I can still see and not getting a migraine from the sun. So these are the ones I got. Ooh, I like them. I was kind of iffy about them, but like, especially if I have my hair down like that, I like them. Those are cute. Nice. Now, let's see how long it takes me to lose these, because unfortunately, I'm famous for losing sunglasses. Alright, let's put these back in their case so they don't get scratched up, because I'm me and that happens a lot too. So, the sunglasses that I picked are $55 sunglasses. There was another one by the same company that were more of a, like, kind of what the police officers wear kind of a shape, and those were $60. Or I could have picked Sunny Life Lovers Picnic set in the color Malibu, which was like a yellow, orange, pinkish. It came with 2 plates, 2 silverwares for like a picnic set. Or I could have chosen the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, and I didn't pick that one because I do have a sleeping facial that I got, I think, in my winter Fab Fit Fun that I'm still using. It's for like hydrating and things like that, which is still kind of what I need. So I figured until that's gone, I won't get, another one. I don't need to have a bunch of every type of thing while I'm learning how to do all this. So there's this big box in here. Let's go ahead and do this. I chose this one too. It's a so it's a diffuser. I love diffusers. And the one that I had in my living room got toppled over and part of the lid is gone and missing. And so this was the perfect option for me. So it says, check out the Unplug guided meditation app. Enjoy access to our world, renowned teachers, and explore the curated collection of meditation videos so you can build a practice that you love, which is awesome because I can look into something like that and practice that with my son, with both of our anxiety issues or, his special needs. So it'd be good if he could learn how to use meditation and stuff, especially when he's getting angry and things like that. So that's nice. And it does change colors. And in my last Fab Fit Fun for winter, I got oils, essential oils that can be used in the diffuser. So I think that's really cool too. So this is what I chose, and it's a $55 diffuser. Oh, my son's saying hi.
I'm making spaghetti for dinner.
Okay. Apparently my son is going to cook, even though it's 9:10 at night, but alright.
Apparently I'm going to. I cooked also last night.
No. Oh, that's right. I ate also at Randy's. My neighbor. we watch TV and take turns cooking and things like that. And Kale. No, we're not. Kale eats a lot. Growing boy, about to turn 12. So, that preteen, eat everything that they can get their hands on. So anyways, I chose the diffuser, which is a $55 diffuser, which is something that I wouldn't pay that much for something, simply because, single mom, it's hard. But so that right there, just the diffuser is more than what the box costs. So that's what I chose. You could have gotten a DX Lux Demi backpack, which I have lots of bags. I have different backpacks. I have bags and shoes are my weakness, so I've got plenty of bags. I didn't need any more. Or the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe, which a robe is cool and awesome, but I do have 2 robes already that are Japanese style, which is something that I really like, and they're very soft and silky. And this one has like pink roses and flowers on it, and I'm not really a flower girl. Like my mom would have loved something like that. So if the diffuser hadn't have been there, I would have gotten that specifically to give to my mom for like Mother's Day or something, because she would have just ate that robe up and loved it. But the diffuser, mine just had happened to get broken, so it was perfect timing for me. Alright, let's see. Okay. There's a couple more things in here. Oh, more than just a couple. I just found a bunch of stuff. Okay, so I got champagne charcoal scrub. What is this? Gentle body scrub. Okay. So I do have my own body sugar scrubs that I make. So it's always nice to get something different to try. But as far as, so this is what it looks like. Let's see, it says relax, and then the directions and all that fun jazz. Again, so I make my own, so this isn't something that I buy for myself usually. So it'll be interesting to try and see how theirs feels compared to the ones that I make myself. If I can get this off, I can tell y'all how it smells. Oh, oh, haha, oh. Oh, yeah, it smells like champagne. Which is not something I drink. I don't like wine either, which is hilariously funny because born and raised in Napa.
You know dessert wine.
Yeah, I've tried some dessert wine that's pretty good. Ooh, so that feels nice actually. I can't wait to give it a try in the shower. I wonder how it leaves your skin smelling after it comes off. That would be interesting. Like, hopefully I won't be walking around smelling like alcohol, especially working with kids, but, you know, that's cool. That's nifty. I'm excited to give that a try as well. And that was something everybody gets, and that is $24, which again is something that I would not spend on a body scrub, especially when I make my own. I like my recipe, so. Alright, let's see. No more baggage. Eye depuffing gel. Awesome! I definitely like that. Oh, here it is. Okay. So this again is something that everybody else got. It's by Dr. Brandt, which I have heard of before. So it says, there's the Dr. Brandt, and it says, right up at the very top right here, this says needles no more. So this is supposed to help your eyes not be all puffy and stuff, and get rid of the dark circles, simply because you know, a lot of us don't get enough sleep. That's kind of just the way it goes. Tiny amount. That's our circles. Use alone. Oh, our under makeup. Oh, so it's not something you put on and then take off. That's cool. That would be cool to try under makeup. Let's see. Does it smell? I don't want to like push a bunch out, you know. Okay, so I'm thinking it's like oh wow, it's like orangish. Doesn't really smell like anything. Unfortunately, it won't go back in. So let's see how. Look, oh, there's Kale again. Hi. Okay, so it's kind of like a gel thing. Okay, in a minute. I'm kind of busy. Okay, that's very cool, and that's $42. Again, almost the cost of the entire box for this one. Oops, there we go. For this one little thing. So this is how it looks like. Yeah. So it says no more baggage and all that. So that's cool. I'm definitely excited to try this out because yeah. Okay. This I was excited to get because I had watched a couple of unboxings just to kind of get an idea, and one of them did say that this is something that everybody gets, and it's the Quay leave-in conditioner. I love leave-in conditioners, but I, again, am a single working mom, working 2 jobs, and just recently, again, getting back into pampering myself. And so leave-in conditioners, as far as what I have been using, is, don't laugh or judge, I've been using the same stuff that my son uses, which is the Kids Like Suave, which is, you know, super cheap. But hey, it works and it smells good. So that's what I have been using. Alright, so this is the Quay Hair Care, which is $26. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhance heat protection. Mist lightly throughout damp hair prior to brushing. Let's see. Okay, so that just smells fresh, which is nice because right now the one, you know, because it's a kid one, it has a scent. Like, I think the one we have right now is like the green apple or something like that. They have a watermelon one. So this will be nice because I can, smell like an adult, not a kid. Which, nothing wrong with smelling like a kid. But I work with them, so it's nice to kind of feel like an adult sometimes, too. That's very cool. All right. One more thing. Babe Lash Essential Serum. What's the ingredients? It's because of all the white little packagey things in there. All right. So this is what it is. Okay. Let's see. Let's read it. Get lush, healthier looking lashes with Babe Lash Essential Serum. This transformative formula promotes the appearance of longer, thicker lashes. Can also be used on brows and with lash extensions. Best when paired with the Babe Lash Enhancing Conditioner and the rest of the Babe Lash collection. I've never done anything except put mascara on my lashes, so... Well, Snapdragons does not want to come out. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Kind of like a mascara thing. Oh, I wonder if it applies like mascara. That will be interesting to see if I can ever get this open. That's the one thing about doing the unboxings is that, you have to stop and take time to take all the stuff off. But I figure it's more fun if we do it together, and I'm surprised along with you guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, oh, okay, not quite. So this is the applicator. Don't know why I think it would smell like something, but So it doesn't smell like anything. It's just wet and clear. Alright. So my question is, how do you apply them? Like, do you just apply it on, like, the edge of your lashes? So there's not, any information on it because this is one of the things that I was also able to choose, and I chose the mystery item, and this is what I got as my mystery item. I haven't seen any other unboxings that they've gotten this or the mystery item. They've picked from the other two options that we had, which was copper plated measuring spoons, which I didn't need because I got a really nice set of ceramic ones with my pots and pan set that I bought, and I love them, and I don't need them. Didn't need a new set. And the other thing was aromatic body lotion in mandarin, orange, and bergamot. I have a lot of body lotions because, like I mentioned earlier, I also get Ipsy, and so I get stuff like that in my Ipsy bag as well as lotion. Oh, I'm so sorry. As well as lotions are something that I always have on hand, but I usually just use like a Vino. What happened? Huh, that was odd. I will have to edit that out. All of a sudden my screen was gone. And I didn't know if it was still recording, but apparently it was. So, okay. So that is everything that I got in my Fab Fit Fun. And if you give me just a second, I will be able to tell you exactly how much my Fab Fit Fun is worth. I probably should have picked this up before, but it's me and don't always think ahead. I did remember, so my Fab Fit Fun box was worth, my total value was $262.94. And the highest that it could have been for this season was $314. So, not gonna lie, very happy with it. I am extremely happy with everything that I got. So I can't wait to test these things out, and maybe we can do a like come back to and let you know. Again, I don't get a lot of this kind of stuff for myself, so like the unboxing videos other than Ipsy, which is every month, will happen probably not as much. I do have like the Jeffree Star one that will be going up soon, but the unboxings aren't generally going to be what my channel's about. I just have a bunch right now because I just got a bunch of stuff recently. But we'll get back to more on life and the fun that is life as a single parent with chronic pain and a special needs child. So I will talk to you later. Bye.